Hi everyone, here is my channel for big fans of scale models. Today I have another set of nicely detailed engine of fabulous BMW 2002 Ti made by USCP company. We can recognize well-known USCP box, so let's have a look what's inside. By the way, the instruction is not shipped with the kit, and you can download it using link below this video. The set comes with two plastic bags and engine bay by one piece. Let's have a look what's inside the first package. So here is nicely detailed engine block with place for a fan. Here is the set of valve cover and oil pan. There is a radiator, a brake cylinder and battery, air intake system, and here is subframe with modified control arms. Inside the second package we have fan and hoses and fittings, generator and distributor oil filter, air filters, exhaust system, and here is driving belt and carburetor in the set. And this small part is a cherry on the top for this kit. This is a fuse box. As always, USCP makes an interesting product and real car fans will love it. Thanks for watching and see ya!